Used roll-on deodorant containers. Used jam jar. Bottle tops. Super glue, although probably better to find glue which is more suitable for this kind of project. Gluing objects together. You might want to use elastic bands to hold things in place while gluing. Also, using a 2-part epoxy glue here, but again, a better glue for this project would be more appropriate. Sticking deodorant containers, jam jar, bottle lids, etc., to form a rocket. Measuring wings which will be made from foam core or foam board. Drawing out wing template on piece of paper. Transferring wing template design to foam core. Cutting out 3 wings to fit the 3 rockets. There we have the basic base with rockets and wings. Screwing in the jam jar fuel tank. Basic rocket spacecraft shape. Priming basic shape, just to see the overall shape and details a bit better. Using sticky labels to simulate metal sheet panels. Used pens, for missiles or blasters to attach to wings. Using a hot glue gun also, which was a pain to use in this project. Appropriate glue would definitely be advisable. Missiles, blasters, fixed into place. Old electric shaver parts for rocket booster grills. Old mobile or cell phones, computer bits, electronics and so on. Improvising with sticking parts to rocket to create details. After priming rocket with grey primer, starting to add layers of acrylic paint. Using a metallic cast iron paint for undercoat. Dry brushing red on rocket caps. Dry brushing white to highlight areas of spacecraft. Using sticky letters and numbers to add spacecraft model number. Using black to enhance darker areas. Mixing up a rusty brown wash to create more of a worn look to the spacecraft. Wiping away wash from more exposed areas. Fixing spacecraft when parts fall off. More detailing with black. Highlighting with white, plus silver metallic paint for touches of worn metal. Dirty old spacecraft pretty much complete. Fixing rocket to green screen. Green screen prepared earlier. Using green screen videos are on the channel. Fixing bracket to wall. This is a botch and it would be better to make proper brackets and stands. Fixing spacecraft to botched bracket. Just botching this up for a quick demo. Propping up with trusty steel ruler. Testing green screen via software. More refixing and gluing. Take away steel ruler prop and away we go.
Hotel Lima Echo November radio check. Papa Echo November, good afternoon, read you 5. Good afternoon, read you 5 and 12, Papa Echo November.
Thank you for watching and over and out. If you would like to receive notifications of new videos, please ring the notification bell.